This property has the wow factor. First, the positioning that cannot be repeated. High up on the slopes of the ever-popular Magalies Mountains, with a priceless view. Then the unbelievable welcoming feel, when entering the property. Beautiful entrance hall with very large open entertainment areas, leading onto a very large patio and pool area. The open-plan gourmet kitchen is designed to make cooking and entertainment much more fun. The awesome main bedroom and ensuite is huge with luxuries in abundance. All the bedrooms are spacious with full en-suites. The house is 888 square meters on a 400 square meters stand with main features, 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, guest toilet and outside toilet, study, 4 living areas, massive entertainment facilities and a modern open-plan kitchen. The garage is a man cave that dreams are made of. It can take 5 to 6 cars easily and has its own bathroom, workspace, and big storing facilities. Security is excellent with the property protected from all sides by other properties as well as a proper alarm and beam system installed. For you to see this property, call now. For you to see Homes strive to provide you with the best possible service, through experience, and through building good relations with stakeholders, such as banks, bond originators, attorneys, and other important service providers. Our clients become our friends is not only a motto, it is our commitment to not only deliver a service, but to exceed a client's expectations. Whether you are buying or selling, we will work tirelessly to promote your best interests. If you are selling, we will work with you to get you the fairest price, in the least amount of time, by using state-of-the-art technology, team collaboration, and for you to see Homes marketing materials. If you are buying, we will work hard to provide you with the best information and market data to inform and assist you, so you can be a well-equipped buyer with the strongest possible negotiating position. At For You to See Homes, we understand that buying and selling real estate can be stressful. As full-time realtors, we will work hard to lower your stress level and make your experience as pleasurable as possible. We will accomplish this through constant communication, and by being accessible whenever you need us.